Hey, it's Steve at the Elongator Tailgates. Let me show you our new version of our ramps. Open our flip up all the way down to the extension, 210-degree angle. Take our ramps out of the interior as always. If you look at our new ramp still has the no kick out tab on it, but it also has an edge to keep you from losing your tires off the side when you're loading a motorcycle, ATV, hand truck, or whatever it might be. Have a good grip surface on it, but the ramps are now extruded. So it's an extruded aluminum ramp. They've been tested to 700 pounds per ramp. But this time what we were able to do is we're able to take these ramps and put them in the center. Take my second ramp out of the tailgate. And what we're doing is we're putting them in the center section so that we can pull a hand truck up the middle. Stand on it backwards and walk up it safely because there's a lot of grip. If you're pulling a hand truck with a lot of weight on it, you feel comfortable. Plus these outside tabs keeps that hand truck inside the ramp surface. Safety first. So we remove our ramps, place them back inside the tailgate. Take our second ramp in, and as always, close our fold out, close our tailgate.
Elongator Tailgates. Built for more.